What's up? How's it going? Silver, first one in here. Appreciate the comment. Smash the likes and subscribe. Got 5 people in here. What's up, Patrick? How's it going? Yeah, I saw we went over 87K. You can see it here on the screen. See if we're gonna break through to another high today. Maybe we go up to 90K and then we have a giant pullback. But yeah, saw Dogecoin is pumping, Elon is pumping, Shiba's pumping, a lot of things are pumping. DGen pumped out of our pattern there. So hopefully you guys are making some money right now. What's up, Patrick? What's up, Pluto? What's up, Samuel? How's it going? Adalik, how's it going? Atilk, however you say that. But what's happening? How you doing? Dennis, how's it going? Yeah, some are pumping and others are marinating. Yeah, that's what I've been saying. Even though we're pumping, this is not the real pump yet. I still think we're going to have a pullback at some point. We're not really going up until next year. But it is nice to see. Nice to see. Bitcoin to the moon right now, huh? But how you guys doing today? So, are any of you guys making money right now? There's a lot of things not moving, but some things are moving. It seems to be Dogecoin and the dog coins are moving right now. Dogelon Mars is going up real good right now. Hate to see it because I always wanted to get in on Dogelon. What's up, Team Salty? How's it going? Glad Spell woke up a little bit. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. People are going to get faked out into alt season here. Screaming alt season, and it's not going to happen quite yet. 1 inch. Spell to the moon. Damn. You see what happened here on Spell? This is what I've been going over for a while now. The previous uptrend lines are hitting resistance. You're back testing them. Got stuck right at it here. But nevertheless, it still looks extremely good here. Spell not looking bad. Team Salty in a hole on arc block though. Yeah, well, arc block, you know, like LCX, it had a good, decent retracement down. But they will have their day again. Yeah, arc block here still in our descending channel pattern, bull flag, whatever you want to call this here. This to me is very bullish. Just when it does actually wake up, it's going to start going just like the other things are doing right now. But we're not going anywhere. Nice little pump though to breathe some fresh air into what's been going on lately. Bitcoin dominance is still up here at 59.75. Ethereum needs to go up. Caspa came up and got stuck. XCN is moving. XCN is moving, he says. Yeah, it's probably moving, but not very much on the macro, which is exactly what I want to see. I'm still planning for next year, next early spring, late winter maybe. Yeah, XCN had a nice little pump, but it's still down here. As long as Exion stays below the 236 before I can get in. Yeah, high to the low, right at the 382 at 18, so it's not bullish yet. Bottom is confirmed in short term, but it's not bullish yet. Just remember, ABT had its biggest pumps after March. It's a bit of a late runner. Yep. See how many people we can get in here today. We got 21 of you on YouTube, 4 on Twitter. We are also streaming on Rumble. Eddie, how's it going? The party's just getting started. Yes. That's my view. The party's just getting started, but it's not there yet. It's like early on in the early night. People are just showing up to the party. Or they're not even showing up yet. The dude's setting out the drinks and putting on the music. A couple of months, people will pile in out of nowhere, and then we'll go. But yeah, it's so good to see that we're right there. Almost into 2025. DIA. Oh yeah, DIA looks really good here. Oh yeah. We've been covering this a lot lately on a lot of stuff. It's right at the 236, so it's still bullish over the 382. Our green box, of course, here. Still bullish, but you guys can see what I see. We've been covering this, like I said, a lot lately on a lot of coins, the bullish setups. We just had DGen take off. Oh yeah, very bullish setup here. Very bullish accumulation on DIA. It's about to get a nice spike up. Probably all the way up to the 1618 at 163. 80% move. 80% move incoming for DIA. Get ready. Yeah, Stater. We've been looking at Stater a lot lately. SD to the moon. Yeah, another one that pumped up and got stuck right at resistance. 382 came into play at 113. So we'll see if it can break over 113 and a half here. It'll officially be bullish. What's up to Closer? How's it going? How you guys doing today? We got 23 people in here. I would really like to get over 50 viewers today. He says it's alt season here. No, it is not. Can you please check what the short-term target for render is? Short-term target for render. What is render doing? Yeah, I think last cycle render did what, a 40x? From my remembrance. Oh yeah, it looks good here. Render just broke the downtrend. Not bad. Render. A lot of things are flipping bullish right now. Doesn't mean we're in alt season though. It's above the 382 at 582, so you're bullish short term. 83. Once you break over 83, a little green candle spawned in here. 618 is next, so as soon as you get over 683, you're at 660. The next stop is $8. 23% move. And if you get over $8, you may start moving at that point. But yeah, if you can get over $8 on render, that new high comes into play, or the previous high, 34% move. And then once you get over that, hopefully it just continues to break out here. That's where you start heading to that new high at the 1272. Even though it made a new high here, we're simply going on the chart from back here, November of 2021 bull run to the bottom. Broke it for a minute, came down, now it's starting to break out again. But yeah, render doesn't look bad here. As long as you stay over 582, this thing is bullish. It looks like it wants to break through the 0.5 here. What's up, Aaron? How's it going? Ryan, how's it going? AOS looks like it's about to break out. Dots, how's it going? Can you check Jasmine, ABT, and XR, please? He's coming here hot with 3 of them. What's your take on Moonwell? Yeah, I was just fixing to look at Moonwell. Moonwell to the moon. If it's still holding up in its pattern, it's very bullish. Did you guys see DGen? DGen just broke out of the pattern. Pluto Botic says, can I send you some XCN for your TA? Yes, you can, my man. In the description of all the live streams, all the live streams, there's an XCN wallet. You just got to go in there and find it. Cameron says, Quant is so lazy, my biggest bag, but it's doing nothing. Yeah, did you see my XCN? Or not XCN, my Quant update on the day? Quant, the bottom is in on Quant. The macro bottom. Yeah, he says hold your Quant, it will go. Yes, it will. Moonwell. But yeah, I just covered Quant. It may get stuck and pull back. I'm expecting a pullback. We're going up a little too fast right now, so I think maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, but we're going to have a decent pullback from this little move we're having right now. So just be aware of that. People may be screaming alt season is here, or alt season's almost over, or the top's almost in on Bitcoin. Just trust me, that is not the case. We are not there yet. Yeah, well, still looking very good here. Well, off of the move up. These are weekly candles, by the way. We could even go down to the 3-day, but it's holding up in this very bullish pattern. You could say it's a triangle pattern. If it pumps back up and comes back down, it could be a falling wedge pattern, but more likely a triangle pattern here. But regardless, it's a continuation bullish accumulation pattern to the upside. It's holding up over 6.4 and 6.3. It's at 80 right now. Looks very good. Once it breaks over 10.4, that's your breakout to the upside. But yeah, we are bullish on Moonwell at this point. When Moonwell breakout, I have no idea. I do not have a crystal ball to tell you that, but it's in this pattern here, as you can see on the chart. Not a very big. Depends on where you look at it, weekly, 3-day. But these things tend to stay in these patterns, and then let me draw this a little bit better for you. But as soon as the price starts to get squeezed in here, it'll pop to the upside. But it's holding up. It's letting people get in, and it's about to have a spike to the upside. Just like what we saw on DGen. We got Tori for 2. How's it going? What about Seller? The closure, you think Drift will run? Drift already ran. Seller. Where is our seller chart? Seller network. Let's go back out to the weekly. It looks like a lot of things in the market right now, the things that aren't really moving. It did pump, but it's still down here below the 236. It made that final bottom on that wick there, but curling up with higher highs and higher lows here. Even though it did dip down here, overall, it still looks extremely well. We've seen this a lot lately, and then we get these little spikes up out of the pattern. And then take it a step further. I appreciate the 2, by the way. It's confirmed the The bottom is in here, short-term price action, even though we are on the macro weekly chart. But as long as you're over 1 penny, bottom is in, price to beat is 1.4, 1.5 pennies. Once you break over this where it's been getting stuck, it's bullish, and it'll push probably right through the macro 236 here at 1.7, and that will confirm the macro bottom is in, bullish over 2.7. But yeah, seller network's a good one. It's down here in the dirt, getting accumulated. No one wants to buy it, but the people that know, they know. And seller network, 2.7 billion market cap, new high at 48, decent 34x from here. If you want a conservative target to watch on seller, 786 retracement in a bull market sometime in 2025, 10 pennies would get you a 7x. So not bad. Appreciate the 2. What's up, OG Jerry? How's it going? Can you check Mary? Yes, when we get over to deck screener in just a moment. Salty, you put 1K on ASM today. Yeah, now's the time to be buying in my opinion. Even though we're pumping on Bitcoin and some of the dog coins and some other things, I still am expecting a decent retracement back down. Until the Bitcoin dominance starts to fall, which it could still go up at this point, we're not really going anywhere yet. Someone said Velodrome. Is Velodrome bullish? Yeah, Velodrome, even though it hasn't done anything, I've been bullish on it. It's been holding the macro uptrend. It's been in a good spot for a very long time, getting accumulated, higher highs and higher lows, as you can clearly see here. It was up here. We expected it to come back down, which it did. It bounced again. So it looks very good here. It's almost about to break over the macro 618 at 11. Once you break over that, then could be time to go. But what we can do on Velo is go high to the low, and you can see right now it's getting stuck on those 2 previous candles right at the 382. So that 618 not only is the breakout point on the macro, but it's also your 382 bullish point to be bullish on the short term, at least, even though this is the whole chart here. But yeah, you need to get over the 11 area here to confirm bullishness, but the whole chart is looking good from where it is right now. It looks like what it did exactly back here, where it came down, it just died, and then it just bounced along the uptrend. Yet again, it died, it bounced along the uptrend, and then at some point it'll have these huge spikes in. And then where's Velo going? Velo to the 1618 at pretty much $1 is going to get you a 10x. And then Velo to a 3.4 billion market cap is going to get you a 40x up to $4. Team Salty for 2. I appreciate that a lot. I owe you. I owe you. You don't owe me anything, my man. But I appreciate the thought. This is all entertainment, magic, smoke, and mirrors. Nothing is real here. But I'm glad you guys enjoy the content. Shapeshift. Pluto says, I'm buying everything I can. These prices won't be here much longer. I agree. We've been going over this for months now. Ever since the breakdown a couple of months ago, 6 months, whenever it was, you know, we've been looking at the bottoms being put in on everything. Not so much Velo here, but it is still down here. But I'm talking about like XCN, Spell, just everything that's just down in the dirt, still dead. Fox to the moon. Yeah, Fox is another one that's gearing up to go here. Broke the downtrend, had the huge spike, stuck right at the 382, retracement at 87, pulled back, but ultimately it is holding up inside of a bullish continuation pattern here. It's only a matter of time before Fox has a nice decent run up. It's over the 382, low to the high at 5.8. So as long as you're over 5.8, it's going to hold this pattern and continue. As you can see here, weekly candles, but if we zoom in, you can see the same exact thing here, just more candles. But if it holds over the 382 after hitting this low here, if it holds up here, that could confirm and tell you that the price is about to break out. But Fox looks really good here. Just keep in mind when it does spike out of here, there's a lot of resistance with the back test of the trend here and the 0.5 at 14. So if you do get a huge spike and it comes all the way up here, just watch for a pullback at that point. Heavy resistance in that area. And at some point in the future, when alt season is really here, this stuff's not going to matter. Things are just going to go straight up. But I appreciate everyone being here. We're up to 31 people in 20 minutes. What's up, Head? How you doing? Yeah, we just looked at Head. We just looked at Moonwell. Moonwell is still holding over 6.4, 6.6. It's at 8 right now, so looking very good. It's still in the bullish pattern there. It's about to break out. And we've been saying this what seems like forever now, and these things that are holding up in these patterns. We finally had DGen break out. Hopefully you guys that hold DGen are making some money right now. We got Patrick for 5 memberships. I appreciate the memberships yet again. I appreciate that a lot. Oh, we're gonna get some new members in here again. Everything has been moving but well. Yeah, well, well already moved. Well moved, and it's just simply consolidating in a bullish setup here. I know more people are going to come here and asking for well. But yeah, well looks extremely good in here. It's like I keep saying, we were just covering this. We keep covering these patterns, the triangle patterns and the wedges and the bull flag patterns, and we're seeing the spikes up. So it's only a matter of time before well starts to run. Just got to be patient. Patience is key. And don't buy in. No one buy into right now that everyone's saying alt season is here. Bitcoin's about to top out at 100K and it's all over. We're not there yet at all. How's it going, daiquiris? Welcome back. Fox still a good buy. Yeah, we just went over Fox. Fox is looking good. Man, if I had the money to buy in on Fox, and I wish I could have bought in on DGen. DGen was getting fudded. People were coming in here saying that the migration and people are being bearish on it and stuff, but I kept telling you guys, DGen looks extremely good in the pattern that it's in. That's what I'm telling you guys right now on well, Fox. See, DGen, the bull flag pattern, and it took off. We'll see if it hits the 618 here. But yeah, I can't keep up with everyone's comments here, so I'm trying my best. Eric says Polygon Matic. I haven't looked at that in forever. Polygon, but yeah, again, I appreciate the memberships from Patrick there. All right, I'll go look at Matic really quick. I know I have a Matic chart. Pretty sure we do. Maybe we don't. Cardano just got stuck. If anyone asked for Cardano, it's hitting the 382, smacked right into the 382 perfectly here at 60. So we'll see if things push through or we're about to get stuck and pull back. I'm trying to see if I have a Matic chart somewhere. I don't think I do. Bitcoin's back over 87. Let's see here. I cannot believe I don't have a Matic chart. Maybe the first one that ever asked for Matic. But Matic's an old coin. It's a heavy coin. We'll do it real simple here. High to the low. It's got a nice little move going. Not as bullish as a lot of things have been forming, but it's pumping right now. So it needs to get over pretty much 50 cents to confirm the bottom is in here, macro wise. And then if we go high to the low once again, it's over 41. So the short-term bottom here is confirmed as long as you're over 41. And then you can see the 382s right on top of that 236 here. So macro bottom in over 50 and bullish over 50. Short-term to push up, and then over 70, macro bullish on Matic here. Now I have no idea where Matic's going to end up. I don't know the market cap or any of that offhand here. But potential 13x to a new high at 554. New high at the 1272. But those are your prices to watch right now. Where'd the screen go? Can you guys see the screen? It disappeared on me for a minute. Yeah, someone just confirmed. Can you see the screen and can you hear me? My computer's going haywire at the moment. Damn. Okay, you guys can see it, but my stuff's going glitching in and out. I can't even do anything on the computer right now. What is happening? All right, I'm just giving it a minute. Everything looks frozen. All right, things are back to normal colors here. Can you guys see and hear everything okay now? He says it looks frozen. Can you guys see that? Can hear you and see you. All right, I think we're back. If we were ever gone, I don't know. All right, yeah. All right, thanks. Yeah, I don't know what happened just now. But what were we looking at? Oh yeah, Polygon. Rep says the anticipation of altcoins to start going parabolic is killing me. Yeah, like I've been saying, we're not at that stage yet. Altcoins are not going parabolic yet. Probably not even this year. What's up, Kevin? Peter, how's it going? Peter says arrow moving. You talking about arrow? Aerodrome. Yeah, I know I missed something, but stupid glitch out. Yeah, I saw Elon is pumping. Pretty decent candles spawning in on Elon. But like I said, Dogecoin is pumping. Shiba's pumping a little bit. ALGO had a nice little move. Yeah, Dogecoin got over the 618 here. That's the reason Elon's starting to take off. They're all following Doge. So if Doge stays over 26, 41's next. But I'm trying to get to the Elon. Oh yeah, someone said Jasmine earlier, I think. Yeah, Jasmine's not really doing anything. Just like the rest of the market, it had a little pump. We'll go high to the low on Jasmine. It's stuck right at the 382. Right at it. So until you get over 235, you're not bullish and you could easily pull back. But if you get over 235, short-term price action, you're bullish. Once you get over 3 pennies, it's going to break out to 5 pennies. XRP still getting stuck. Yeah, Shiba had a decent little run. Shiba, we've been pointing out lately, is in the very bullish pattern here. It was about to go, and it did go. But you could also argue that it went because Dogecoin went. But it's perfect timing. Elon had a massive move up 120%. Sad to see. Sad. So sad to see this. I wanted to get in on Elon so bad. 2 giant candles spawned in here. And I've been saying that forever now. That when Elon runs, it runs extremely hard. If we were at the parabolic stage, this thing would just go straight up to the moon. 50x. But yeah, it's over the 236. Whoever asked for it at 2.0, as long as you're above that, it confirms macro bottom is in. Broke through the previous downtrend line. That's good to see. So if it stays up here, price to beat is a 382 to be macro bullish at 33. And then from where you are now in price, Elon's going all the way up here to the new high at 6.6. And now that $3.6 billion market cap from a 50x is now a 22, 23x. Which just the other day it was a 50x. So congrats to the Dogelon holders, I guess. Love Juan, how's it going? Sir Beard, what's up, Sir Beard? Biko. Is there lag with Arrow? What's up, Eldor? What's up, Matthew? How's it going? I don't know if I have a chart for Biko. We'll look real quick though, I guess. Biko to 0. Biko looks like the rest of the market. It did just make a lower low, so that's not the greatest. Not the best looking chart on Biko. Bottom is not confirmed in until you get over 41. And then short term, bottom is not in until you get over 25, which you're over now. So it could be the bottom. It stays over 25, bullish over 32. Macro bullish over 73. I don't know the market cap on this one, but 618 retracement up to 182. 6.5, almost a 7x. 786 retracement, 350. Decent move here, about a 13.5x. So we'll see what happens with Biko. But like I said, doesn't have the greatest looking chart. It just made a new low. Is GST really moving? GST. Only had a decent little move. It looks like it's getting stuck right at our resistance line here. It's crazy how they're hitting these things perfectly. What is that? Is that the 236? Yeah. So it needs to get over our red line here. Bullish over 2.8s, but 188 here, right where it is right now. It needs to hold and get over, and then it will confirm this is the bottom. Which that's kind of sad also, because I wanted it to stay down here and wait for me. But yeah, decent little move on GST. If it can hold here, next move up would be to that 382 to try to be short-term bullish, which should push the price up to the 236. So 2.8 is your next big price if you hold this area here at 1.8. But it does appear to be getting stuck at the moment. He says don't sleep on FET AS/ASI yawn. Darth Bobby. Dang it, Bobby. What's up, Darth Bobby? Mary is making lots of money, says OG Jerry. We'll go look at it in just a moment when we get over there. Why can't NCT ever hold any of its pumps? Unfortunately, its utility clearly isn't attracting. Yeah, not very many people know about Polysforum quite yet. But I would argue that nothing's holding its pumps right now. Everything's going to come back down. Turbo, please, and degen. Yeah, we just did degen. Yeah, if you're not in on these plays that are pumping right now, and you're thinking to get into Dogecoin, Shiba, Elon, GST, whatever it is, degen, I guess you've been watching the wrong people or looking at the wrong charts because it's too late. You guys are going to pile into these coins that are moving and it's going to pull back. Like I said, these people telling you that the alt season is here are not correct. But that is my opinion. But yeah, degen, we've been pretty much screaming it for the last couple of weeks. Degen is bullish inside the pattern, over the 382, bullish over 80. It pumped. It's over the 0.5 at 1.1. Next stop up is 1.7 if it continues to move here. But it looks good. If you weren't in it on the pattern here in the accumulation, you missed the boat. You missed the boats. He says, do you believe it will all come back down? Team Salty, Turbo price prediction. Turbo's going, what, to a 26 billion market cap? Or 3 billion market cap. Yeah, the fact that we're not in alt season yet, the reason Bitcoin is pumping is because the Bitcoin dominance is still up. There is still a huge chance that we get a nice, decent retracement pullback back down. Everyone's screaming to the moon right now, but then they're all going to be crying when it does come back down. That was it. That was the top. Bitcoin, the bull run's over. Bear market is starting. That's what they're going to start saying. Turbo looks good here. It's still holding over our support level after it bounced on our previous support level. Next stop up is that billion market cap to a penny and a half. Let me fix the chart here. But yeah, we're looking at Turbo to come up to 3 pennies, 2.2 billion market cap. If it comes up to 5 billion, that's going to give you 8 pennies for about a 9.5x. But there's a good chance, it depends on how big the market is. You can see a 47x up to 26 billion market cap to 40 pennies. I know people say that's too high, but we'll see what happens. But Turbo here is up a ton, so just keep that in mind. So maybe it only hits a 2 to a 5 billion market cap, and that's it. But until we see otherwise, the whole chart is bullish here. It's holding up over our levels, and you just got to be patient. That's the way I see it. Love One says, when do you think all season will be here? All season's not coming in until people pull their money out of Bitcoin and pile into the alts, which that's not happening yet because clearly Bitcoin is going up and the dominance is still hanging around 60. There is no alt season right now. So yes, all these little pumps we're seeing on things right now, we've seen it back in March when Shiba and all these coins pumped up. They came right back down. Bonk, please. Armani. Yeah, what is Bonk doing? Bonk, I would imagine, is still holding up in our pattern. We've been bullish on Bonk for a very long time. It will have its day. Yeah, Bonk's sitting up over our support level we've had on the chart forever. It's back above 2.7. Or no, it's at 2.7. It's back above 2.5. If it holds 2.5, come back up into our box until it breaks over 4.0 over the 1.618. It's going to continue to chop around in this pattern here. And then at some point, apex of this pattern, once it holds up, it gets squeezed, and it's going to shoot to the upside. As long as we're holding higher lows here, holding up over our levels, holding the trend, can't help but be bullish on the macro future price of Bonk here. And then Bonk. So if Turbo's going to hit a 26 billion, then Bonk's going to hit a 24 billion and do a 17x. Well, no, let me change that. 13.5x from where it is right now. Nabbed 1,000 Caspa and hold it. Will be big one day. 1,000 Caspa. Yeah, Caspa's going to be a good play. Yeah, I haven't checked on ALB. What is ALB doing? Is it still just sitting there doing nothing? Still holding up over the 618 here. Oh yeah, I'm glad you told me to look at ALB. ALB looks good. As of right now, it's holding up over the 1618. It didn't drop back down instantly, so that's good to see. It's holding up perfectly. Low to the high. You can see these candles came down and hold the 236 at 265. It bounced up. So we'll see what happens here, but as of right now, does not look too bad. It's still macro bullish. And then if we want to try to draw on here, maybe it's going to get stuck where it is right now. But it could be forming a bullish triangle pattern. So it's just holding up bullish, and it's accumulating here on the macro. So that could be the case, and it's about to start running again at some point. If it breaks out here, so be it, but it might come back down and kind of hold back down to the 236 and kind of bounce until it goes back up. But it's still holding up. Looks like well, and some of the others holding up. Pump up. Just kind of cooled off a little bit. It's getting accumulated, and we'll have another pump up, and then we'll all go back to zero in December. But yeah, welcome everyone in here. Damn, we're up 45 people now. How's everyone doing? Did I get all the super chats? Seller, I owe you. Yeah, okay. So some of you got gifted, 5 of you got gifted a super chat. I mean, a super chat, a membership. So that's good to see. But I appreciate you guys coming in here. Emily, can you cover Brett? Yeah, we look at Brett a lot. Well, not a lot, but... And like I said, I can't cover all you guys' coins. I'll have to put up the thing again, I guess. If you guys really want me to look at something, I'm going to have to put up the little $2 super chats if you want me to look at something. But Brett, high. Well, no, I didn't do the high to low. It is pumping right now. It broke the previous high. Higher highs and higher lows. Brett doesn't look too bad here. It looks like it's all the way up to the 0.5, maybe higher. Oh, it's right at the 618, right over the 618. So if you can stay over 12.4, excuse me. If you can stay over 12.4, this thing may continue to run here. That's your breakout point. 13.8 is next, and then 16.9. But I would imagine the big question you have, which it may get stuck at the 618 here and have a decent pullback. So just be aware of that. It's right at that 618. So it is at resistance. Excuse me. But yeah, Brett to a 40 billion market cap would give you a 30x up to about 380. More conservative price target would be a 9.2 billion, 7.5x up to about 93. Maybe it goes to $1. But if Pepe is going to hit a 50 billion market cap, then Brett's going to hit a 40 billion market cap, which I do think Pepe is going to hit a 50 billion market cap. They're potentially going to be the two big winners, two of the big winners this cycle, Brett and Pepe. What's up, Elixio? We got flip coins for 20. I appreciate that, my man. Can you cover Billy and used car? Yes, I can. I appreciate the 20. That's awesome. That is so awesome. 20 for used or flip coins. I always call you flip car. Yeah, I guess we're going over to Deck Screener. Oh yeah, I was looking at that SUKU coin on Deck Screener. Wanted to buy in on that one, but it's already going. Damn, if I could figure out how to switch this over. Stop the screen. But yeah, we looked at this one yesterday, and it's moved up since then. So this one broke out, and I've been watching it for so long on my list. But what are you gonna do? Missed another one. But I appreciate the 20. We're gonna go look at used car. Hopefully used car is pumping to the moon for you. You said used car and something. Billy and used car. Gently used Honda Civic. I would imagine this one should have started pumping with Dogecoin. Doesn't look too bad. You could argue it's about to break out, depending on where you draw this at. Maybe we'll pull this up. But yeah, it still looks good here. You're above the 382 at that, what, 13.5 if I remember? Yeah, 13.5. It had this nice, decent run up. It's simply in a bull flag pattern. It's about to pull a D-Gen. It's about to pull a D-Gen and have a nice spike to the upside here. So be ready. Used car is a very good play. Yeah, and it's above the low to the high 382 also. Above 14.4. So yeah, and it's about, if it breaks over the 236 at 2.1, that of course is also that 0.5 at 2.2. But yeah, once you get over that 2.2 price, this thing's bullish and it's going to spike up. And then still from where it is today, if you hold it all the way to the new high at the 1272 at 55, 31.5x on used car. Not looking bad at all. Just got to be patient and hold, my man. Billy. Are you in on Billy too? Billy to the moon. What is Billy doing? Let's move these off. So Billy ended up breaking down a little bit from the last time we looked at it. But overall, it is making higher lows, making lower highs. All right, so Billy right now is over the 382. So you can consider it bullish over 43. Next price is 60 here. But if you're holding on to Billy for the moonshot new high, it is over the 382, so it's back to being bullish. It is curled up on the bottom, not looking so great on the top here, but ultimately, if this thing's going to run 10.5x up to 50 from where it is now. But yeah, I like used car more than Billy. But yeah, I appreciate the 20. We got Sir Beard here in the house for $1 or $2. I appreciate that. He didn't say anything. Appreciate the support. Yeah, that's a good question I should ask. How many of you guys out there got beards? Sir Beard here. I have a beard, by the way. I think I got everything. Someone said earlier, Ayaz is waking up. Someone said something else. Anything else on Deck Screener? Let's shill the $2 super chat so we can look at some gamble coins. Sir Beard says XYO. Beards for the win. But yeah, Brett's I was saying this the other day. It's probably best, not financial advice, but buy into the new projects. That would probably be the ideal. Meme coins, and then like Sui, Brett, the frog coins, Pepe. If you had the money to invest in them. What are we looking for? XYO to the moon. We haven't looked at XYO in a minute. XYO still stuck in our box here, which it should be red, I guess, for resistance. But XYO doesn't look bad. It's one of the ones that came down, hit our final support level, low to the high, this green support line. It did wick below it. Last time to buy in that low, it bounced. Ultimately, it's getting stuck right at the 236 on the macro at 0062. It is pulling back right now, but the bottom of the box here, I would imagine, is a 618. Let's go draw it low to the high. Yeah, the 618 here. So you're above the 618 after bouncing off of the 786. So as long as you're over 5.5, the price to beat is 6.2. That will confirm the macro bottom is in here. And then bullish over 1 penny on XYO. But still looks good down here. And then XYO to a 786 retracement to 4 pennies in a bull market. 6.5, almost a 7x. So a good round number to watch to take profit at. If you want to take profits way early, 3.5, close to a 4x to 2 pennies. And then if you think XYO can hit a $2.7 billion market cap up to 21 cents, decent 35.5, 36x. But yeah, it looks good right here. Higher highs, higher lows. It just needs to hold and break through 6.2 here. Appreciate the 2. Matt says, beard gang. I have a beard. OG. I've got a smaller bag of Billy and Samo. Okay. You guys remember, what was the other one we keep talking about? Samo, the Salama. Any of you guys have Salama? Patrick says 88K. Are we really at 88K? Damn, we're going to hit 90K and we're going to fall off the table. Beards in the house. I know I missed somebody's chat back here. Let me see. But anyone I missed coming in here, appreciate you guys being in here. Uncle says Salama gonna move moon hard. SEI kind of moving. Yeah, SEI is another new one. SEI potentially could be a really good play. Oh yeah, SEI. I was trying to think of the other one that we've been covering lately that was in the same bull flag pattern like DGen. Maybe it was SEI here. But yeah, we've been looking at SEI lately. Bull flag pattern. And it's taken off. So it's above the 0.5 at 48. Next stop is 59. But yeah, it broke out from the pattern here. Looks good. So as long as you stay over 4.8, the next target is another 15% move to 5.9. And then, like I said, if SEI is going to be a good play, I don't know where it's going to end up, but we do have a lot of targets on this one. But yeah, it is breaking out right now. Maybe a 20x. Render just hit 6181, as you said, that start of the stream. That's good. Render just hit the 6, yeah, I think you mean 68 or 681. What's up, Nowak? We got Nowak for 5. SCF on Solana, 75 million market cap. All right, let's go back over to the gambling site. Appreciate the 5. Let me switch this over. No, not invite, damn it. Back over to deck screener. Now, what'd you say? SCF, 75 million market cap. Smoking chicken fish? The hell? Oh, we must have looked at this one already. Smoking chicken fish. Come on now. It's got a nice little pump going. It's above the 618. Came down, didn't really bounce on anything, but yeah, it looks good over the 618. I guess we drew a little scenario here. So the price to beat is 8.7. And once you get over 8.7, that should send the price up from where you are right now, about a 3.5x up to the new high at 2.4. 20,000, 21,000 holders. Yeah, the overall picture for it though is just higher highs curling up with higher lows. Very bullish looking here. It's only a matter of time before it breaks out and has a nice spike up. And if it goes higher than this, so be it. 1618 retracement would give you about a 7x up to 50. Smoking chicken fish. Makes you wonder where they come up with these names. And then you said SKBDI. SKBDI. Skibbity toilet. I think my son plays something called Skibbity toilet or watches something. I've heard that before. 16 million market cap. Skibbity toilet. Alright, I'd imagine this is it. It looks extremely good here. Especially on non-log. Very bullish looking chart. But we're going to look at it. Let's take off the volume. Zoom out on this thing. Oh yeah, this thing is about to take off. Jesus. Hopefully you got your moon suit on. This thing's about to go. 59 million market cap, 7,000 holders. Skibbity toilets on Solana to the moon. Damn, look at this stuff. Almost said a bad word. Double bottom with a higher low. Another double bottom with a higher low, and it took off. And now the flat top. I can't draw. Let's see here. But yeah, looking at it here, we'll draw on it in just a moment. But the flat top and of course the higher lows here, very bullish ascending triangle continuation pattern here. This thing looks like it's fixing to go parabolic here. And I hope it does. I hope you guys make money. I don't know what I can draw on here though. High to the low. Yeah, as long as you're over 8.2, you're all the way at 79, so that doesn't even matter. But yeah, this is potentially a very good play where it is right now. As long as you're over 4.2, where it's holding up. It looks like it's already starting to try to break out here. But yeah, that's a very bullish setup. Oh yeah. The big question is, where is it going to shoot up to? That could be hard to see here. Depending on where I want to draw this at, we may have to go from this most recent one to get any kind of decent. Alright, maybe if we go with this one, high to the low. Yeah, it's been bouncing around the 1272. It's above the 1414. Yeah, we'll just leave it here. But it looks extremely good. Possible targets to watch would be, first one would be $1, 30% move, and if it blows through that, 5.5x up to $4. Could be the case here. I can see that one giant green candle spawning in. We're going to do what we did the other day with flip or whatever it was. We just going to leave this here. And then when we come look back tomorrow, there's going to be a giant green candle in here for you. That's how you do magic. We'll put it into existence here. But yeah, I'm getting behind already. I appreciate the 5. Hopefully that helped. But that one looks really good. If that was it. But yeah, the bullish setup that thing has looks very good. We got OG Jerry for 2. I appreciate that. Mary. Yeah, but that one right there would be a good one to throw. Just quickly throw some money at, because it looks like it's about to spike. Not financial advice, of course. It could always go to 0. Mary, what is Mary doing? Oh yeah, I saw Crow was pumping, so yeah, Mary's pumping. Mary is over the 786 here. Let's move this up to where we are now. Seems like every day we come on the charts here, we're having to move these things up because everything's just going up. So Mary over the 786, as long as you stay over 5-1 here, potential next target is going to shoot right up and do almost a 200% move, 187%. So damn near a 3x up to 3017. Mary to the moon. And as long as you stay over 382, you're bullish. You're all the way at 6.2, so you're way above that. I would just focus on 5.1. This thing looks good here. Appreciate the 2. Legacy, how's it going? He says, what do you think of DGen token? You talking about DGen? We just went over DGen. Why do you think SUKU's a scam? What's up, Ben? Spell TA, please. Who is Becker? Oh, Alex Becker. Who's Marad? But yeah, you're talking about regular DGen? Yeah, I made an update on the channel today. We've already covered it twice, I think. But DGen, just really quick, since you just got here. DGen broke out of our bull flag pattern and she's moving. As long as you stay over 1-1 here, next target is 1-7. Looks good at the moment. So for all those that paid attention when we were screaming DGen is extremely bullish here, hopefully you're making some money. Spell, I love Spell. Spell had a nice spike up, but as you can see here, I believe we already went over it today. Hit the previous uptrend perfectly. Got stuck. So back tested, it did wick above it, but ultimately it's getting stuck because that is your resistance point. But it is over our green line after the 786 support held, so it's over the first resistance level here. So as long as you're over 6.5, you got through that first mark. And then once you break the trend here, the next stop up is the macro 236 at 9.6 to confirm all of this is your bottom. But hopefully that doesn't happen anytime soon. But yeah, once we get into alt season, you'll see these things will start going up. What's up, Gaiden Music? How's it going? He says hi. How you doing? We got 45, 47 people in here. Not bad. Brian Armstrong on base says salty. What is the ticker for that? But I appreciate you guys coming in here. Everyone hit the like button and subscribe. Hit the bell notification on the channel or whatever's on the screen that you can see. But at least like the video. Let's see, we've got 9 people on Twitter. No idea how many people are on Rumble, but I appreciate you Rumble people watching. And if you're on Rumble, if you're here, go subscribe to the channel. Just type in the Crypto Undead. Citizen 1 says, howdy, how's it going? How you doing? What is the Brian Armstrong ticker? I guess I could just type it in. I think we may have looked at that one before. I know we looked at a lot of the base coins, the Foster. Oh hell, they got a Brian Griffin token. Brian. Yeah, I don't know the ticker for that. I'm just gonna look at this. Brian on base. Damn, this one doesn't look too bad. Not financial advice, not even a 500k market cap. This thing looks like it's about to go. Yeah, I know that's not it. It's Brian. But this Brian right here looks good. Oh, this is probably it. Is this it? Yeah, just let me know if this is it. Hamid says dog ski mask. Is that a coin? Talent sucks. Yeah, I may have found a little sleeper there, a little gamble play. Just throw 50 bucks at the other Brian and see what happens. That's why I can't wait till I get some money to do that with. I just need $1,000. I'll throw $100 at 10 different gamble coins, just having fun. See what hits. So many choices out there too. Yeah, this one, yeah, you said this is the right one. This one doesn't look bad. 1.9 million market cap. It's above the 382, so you're bullish. You're bullish over 187. Breakout over 5.5 up to 1.1. New high on this one. If you just buy in and hold, plant a little $50, $100 seed. Can't get any better than that. 100 bucks for 49x. That's exactly what I'm talking about. Damn. It's all you need. What's up, Peter? No, we did not look at SUKU yet. Someone's saying SUKU sucked and SUKU was a scam. Matthew, GST. Yeah, we just looked at GST. Had a nice little move. I don't know how to say your name. Payo? How do you say that? Payo. Beam, please. Yeah, there's so many good coins, so many sleepers. So many good plays you could just throw a little bit of money at. And can you imagine throwing $50 at this thing and it does a 49x? Peter says, for real, should I move my G out of it? How is it a scam? It's not a scam. Who's Brian Jung? Dog ski mask. I don't know what that is. Is it on base? Solana? Ethereum? No idea who Brian Jung is. Oh yeah, that reminds me. We said Solana earlier. Dog ski mask. This? Oh, I think we looked at this. Yeah, we looked at this crap. High to the low. It's back over the, or it's over the 786. It's holding support. So as long as you're over 14.6, it came down a little bit, but it is holding. New high on this one is a 7.5, 8x. But not a bad chart at one point. Downtrend broke, and then it's just been going up ever since. It's over halfway to the new high here. If you would have caught this thing on the breakout, damn, 170x, Jesus. But that's what we're looking for. The ones down here still waiting to break out. Oh yeah, but the one I was thinking of was we said Samo earlier, but Salama. Salama here. The Solana Llama. The Solana Llama for the win. Yeah, downtrend. This thing broke out. It's curled up. Looks extremely good here. It's over the 0.5. Next stop is a 618, but Solana is going to be a good play too. 25x up to $1. New high is a decent 9x. It's probably going to hit that. Yeah, oh yeah. But yeah, I mean, you can make $100 into $1,000. I wouldn't say guaranteed, but you get the idea. Almost guaranteed. I would sleep good at night knowing that. Salama, but the other one I was thinking about, you guys remember Skid? I think we went over this before. Success Kid. I forgot about this, and then I saw someone mention it on Twitter. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Skid. Oh my god. Skid is another good one. 1.9 million market cap. Damn. Oh yeah. Skid is going to be a very good play. Let's see what kind of multiplier this one has. This one still hasn't moved yet. Damn, if I get this to stick, but you can see down here, it's starting to curl up at the bottom here. It's about to break the downtrend. You just got to be patient with these things, just like the Soul Ordi that I was in. I didn't go look at that. I don't know what it did. It probably went up after I took my money out. I'm so scared to look. I'm going to be so pissed if it did. But Skid here. New high on Skid. 20, almost a 28x from today, where it's potentially bottomed and curled up. Confirmed bottom over 2.944. You're bullish and to the moon. Damn, so many good plays out there. Alright, give me a moment. My son just texted me. He's the only one here with me today. Everyone else went off to the state band competition. So let me mute this for a minute. I will be back in just a moment. Chat amongst yourselves. I'll be right back. But yeah, there's so many good plays out there. All right. Damn, we lost 5 people. What did I miss? Matt Furious Grago is the king. What about X? What does X mean? Talking about Twitter? Have you looked at Bat Boy? I thought you said Fat Boy. Act 1, 1400X today. What the hell is that? Act 1, is that a meme coin? Sounds like a scam. Sounds like people are going to buy in and lose all their money. Act 1, yeah, this thing just came out. Oh no, 23 days ago. Holy crap. Damn, this thing came out and did nothing. How do you find something like this? It came out and just went sideways forever. And then it went to the moon. That's a nice find. If you got in on this. Did you buy in on this? I don't know what that picture is, but hopefully it doesn't get me banned. Damn. Hopefully you got rich off of that one. Let me take it off of that because I don't want that on the screen. Oh, man. Made a lot on Bat Boy, says Citizen. What is Bat Boy? 1400%. Okay, still a good move. BNB just listed. Yeah, don't ever get in on anything that has a giant green candle. But yeah, if you got in on the bottom where that thing was just going sideways, that's very good. Geki about to hit an all-time high. What is Geki? I think we looked at that before. I don't remember which one though. This one? This one looks really good. Higher highs and higher lows. We haven't looked at it in a minute. It's still above the 618. Once it breaks over 2.2, new high on this one is a 5x. 5.5x up to 9. But it's about to make a new high at the 786 at 2.2 here. X is a meme coin. What is it on? Damn, we're down to 39 people in here. What happened? What do you think about NMAO? What's up, Slava? Welcome back. Yep, I agree. Bitcoin's going up fast. It will come back down. X is a meme coin on Bybit. Didn't know that was a thing. But yeah, where's everyone at? But yeah, I really like the skid coin. Yeah, there's nothing popping up unless we're done. We're frozen. Deef, welcome in. How's it going? What's your opinion on Rose? Yeah, I just did an update on the channel on Rose. We'll go look at it in a moment, but there's some things out there that there's just better choices. Rose potentially, is a good play, but there's just better options in my opinion. Rose to the moon. So who got the subs earlier? No, sorry, not Bat Boy. MAO made some. I don't know what that means. Crow is pumping. Yeah, I saw that. Crow to the moon. All right, I guess we're going to switch off of deck screener. Crow. Yeah, there's a lot of things pumping right now. Don't remember the last time I looked at the Crow chart, but I do own Crow. A tiny bit of Crow, only because I get it free every time I go onto the Crow Crypto.com app. Crow. Low to the high. It's stuck right at the 0.5, so it's at resistance right now. Everyone pile in at resistance so we can go to 0. As long as you're over the 382, you're over the 236 also. So let's pull this over. But yeah, Crow had a decent run. Let's see here. Look at this. Potentially smacked right into the trend line, just like a lot of things. 0.5 in the trend line. That's all she wrote. If it can get over 214, then it'll break the trend that it's back testing, and it'll break over the 0.5, and you're in good shape. But right now, it is at heavy resistance. Just be aware of that. For any of the Crow Moon boys out there, could keep going, but that could be it. But Crow, if Crow goes to a new high, that'll take you to $2, $214, 56 billion market cap, and a 10x. But like I said, right now it hit resistance. Smacked right into it. I got in Crow at 11, up 100%. Not bad. But just take into account what I just said. Next year, Crow ETFs coming soon. Load up on SDEX boys and girls, says Matt. How's it going, Matt? Damn, we got 52 people in here. Let's go. Let's see. We got 38 people from YouTube. Where's the other 8,000 people? Everyone coming from the shadows and just type a 1. Let me know you're here. I want to see 51s in the chat. Or a peace sign. Oh, never mind. You guys aren't all members. You can't do that. 27 cents could be the top for Crow. 27 cents is the top for Crow. Is that what it hit? No, it hit 22. If it holds over 21.4 here, which it's trying to right now, people are piling into the green candle. There's going to be a giant wick. It's going to hit 27, and then that's it. But 30 would be your next stop, potentially. Does not have to. There we go. All the ones coming in. Oh, yeah. What's up, Simplistic Daily Profits? I don't know if you've been here before, but welcome. Another Shadow Lingerer. Brickin, pumping again. BKN, British Knights to the moon. BKN. Yeah, we've been looking at BKN a lot lately. So what is BTC at right now? See, look at this. Everyone's piling into Crow right now. There's going to be a big spike here, a wick, but it's going to get stuck exactly here, and then it's going to pull back. It hit that years ago and came all the way back down. Okay. Slava says 100 soon. I wish you every day. Yeah, we'll see. We'll get there one day. We're back down to 46. People just come in and out. But as long as you hit the like button on your way in and out, it's fine with me. I don't know, man. It's looking strong. Yeah, we'll see what happens. But we've done a couple of charts today, and I've done a couple of updates today to where there's wicks over and things are getting stuck right at the resistance here, because you do have the trend and you do have this 0.5 here. Just be careful. Everyone wants everything to continue going. We're going straight up right now. That's not healthy right now, because we're not in alt season yet. We're not at that point yet. The Bitcoin dominance is still way high. Bitcoin's still going up, so that tells you the money's in Bitcoin right now. But British Knights to the moon. Yeah, BKN's getting stuck right at the 618 right now. A lot of things getting stuck at resistance right now off of pumps. So we'll see how tomorrow goes. If you can get over 517, then 80 is next. So if we stay bullish here, which I hope we stay bullish in some degree, because I want you guys to keep making money. But it's just my opinion. We're not at that point yet. And we've seen this many, many times in the past. Bitcoin pumps, some coins pump, everyone turns bullish, and then that's it. And then everyone turns bearish for a couple of weeks. But yeah, right now this one's getting stuck right at that resistance level, 618. Let's see here. Simplistic, I've been a subscriber for a few weeks now. You do good charting. I appreciate the words there. I appreciate you being a subscriber. I'll take profits and be smart. 3 trades of 176K dumped Hoppy. Did it really? He says there are big guys coming in. What big guys? Legacy says fetch. Ain't doing nothing till alt season. One address dumped 1.4 million. Damn. Yeah. There's some wells in the meme coins. Or it could be someone's dumping on people. But we still got time to get ready for alt season, I think. Yeah, Het says I still want to load up on. He still wants to load up. So everything that's pumping right now, I know you guys want to scream moon, but I really do think we're going to have a pullback. Even though we're over levels, maybe we pull back just to these levels and we hold and go sideways. Bullish November. A week or two into December, we're going to pull back. Yeah, someone go follow that address and see what they own. See if it's a whale. He says GST, buckle up. GST's not going anywhere yet. Salty says it's Crypto John dumping on his community. Really? What are we looking at though? We looked at BKN. So what is Bitcoin doing now? 87.3. Yeah, you guys remember though, we were looking at this chart right here weeks ago. The overall chart, monthly chart with the measured move, how every time it told you what Bitcoin is doing, COVID dump, everything. We went over this many times. And then we're in this bullish pattern here. We were holding up over the 618. And I told you guys it's about to break out and pump. If you guys remember this, and then I said it's going to pump up to a certain degree, certain point. Everyone's going to turn bullish, and then this is just going to pull back and come back down. Everyone's going to think the bull run has started. We're going to the moon, but it's simply the breakout point, and then it's going to pull back, and then at some point we'll go right back up. 200k BTC to the moon. But yeah, it's nice to see things pumping, see some of you guys making some money. Just be very careful. But no one said anything about the meme coins. What did you guys think about Skid? Skid looks very good. Yeah, exactly. We see this here. Let me pull this over to where we can see it. But yeah, we were looking at this. We were saying it looked like Turbo. Turbo held and then it pumped and made a move. Same thing Turbo did. It had a nice little decent move. Didn't quite reach where we expected it to. And then it ended up pulling back. So we're going to expect BTC to do the same thing. Weekly candles here over the next 3 or 4 weeks. It's just going to pull back down here, back test the previous high since it blew right through it, and then everyone's going to scream that was the top. 87k, or if we go up to 90k, whatever it's going to be, it's going to pull back, bear market time, and then it's just going to go pull back in all of December. January goes sideways, February starts to pump up a little bit, fake out, and then to the moon we shall go. We're almost there. Are we still live? Something glitched out here. What am I missing here? What happened? Something glitched out. But yeah, how's it going, Big Willie? Welcome back. What's going on? He says, not much. We're just seeing what's happening here. How you doing? Big Willie back in the house. ACT went crazy today. What is ACT? ACT. You talking about that Act 1? Because I don't think that's on here. I think you're talking about Act 1. We're looking at it on deck screener. I don't know. Yeah, okay, Act 1, the prophecy. Yeah, we looked at that a minute ago. It went up. But if you didn't buy in before it went up, do not chase that green candle. It may continue to go up, but that's a very risky play. But yeah, we still got we had 50 people in here, but now we're down to 30. Never heard of it before. Yeah. Yeah, you guys come in here with a lot of coins I've never heard of before. I went in for it, only $20 to gamble. Yeah. Gamble plays to the moon. Someone said SUKU's a scam earlier. I guess let me go look at SUKU. SUKU. What is Vara doing? Did Vara hold up? Nothing wrong with SUKU here. SUKU's still down here in the dirt. Still dead in the grave. This is what I've been saying. This accumulation here is very bullish. At some point, it'll break over the 236 at 8.3. It's going to wake up the little zombie, and it's going to just run. To a degree at some point, but of course. SUKU looks dead here, but it will rise again. And then SUKU, 800 million market cap to 450, a very large 58, 59x. But SUKU, good for a 227 million market cap up to about 70 cents. Can't get better than that. From down here in the dirt, doing nothing. Almost a 9x. Yeah, if I had the money, I would put 10K in here. 5 to 10K in SUKU. It's going to hit this 786 retracement in a bull market next year. 10x my money. So, yeah. You can only call something a scam if it's all the way up somewhere and then it just goes all the way back down. So, if you call this a scam, the only way you confirm this is a scam if it breaks down below the final support and then breaks the low and makes a new low here. Ash says, what about Baby Dogecoin? Baby Doge. Yeah, I looked at Baby Doge a while back for an update. Baby Doge. No, Baby Doge ain't doing a damn thing. Doge is pumping and Baby Doge is just sitting here looking bearish. High to the low. It's back under the 618. It's been going sideways forever here. Weekly chart, macro chart, it's doing nothing. Strong move up. And not the greatest looking, well, let's see here. I guess you could argue the strong move up. Bullish continuation pattern. It's either a bullish continuation pattern or one could argue a bear flag, I guess. And it's about to drop back down. So very hard to say on Baby Doge. I never hear anyone talking about Baby Doge. But you are below the 618. So as long as you're below 2.8, then 2.1 is your target for support at 16. But if you can come down and hold 16, maybe you are in a bullish pattern. But I don't know. I'm not bullish on Baby Doge at all. New high on this one is what? 4.5x up to 119. So, yeah. Honestly, have no idea if Baby Doge is going to ever run. Let's see here. Oh, as I make sure. Grago, Louise the Cool. What's up, Louise? How's your crazy lady doing? Louise. Did it ever bottom out? Let me see. I'm trying to get the other. But someone said on the live stream last night, let me get you guys' opinion. Right before I ended the live, what am I doing here? Right before the live stream ended last night, someone said leave the live stream on for a little bit after we end and just leave it on the screen so people can just chat and stuff. Do people really do that? I'm still waiting for more than 50 people to stay around in here. We're bullish as hell right now, and no one's here. All right, so I need to stop sharing this. So what are you guys' thoughts on that? And then I'll ask you something else that I've been wanting to ask you guys. Damn, did I just share the same thing again? Come on. Deck screener. All right, there we go. Deck screener. But yeah, Skid. Skid looks extremely good here. Skid to the moon. All right, I'm just gonna bite the bullet. What is Soul already doing? Nothing. All right, that's good to see. It's still down here. Oh damn, it made a new low. Oh jeez. All right, so I guess I'm good. I sold my loss on Soul already. It made a new low. Are you freaking kidding me? What is wrong with Soul already? Wow. Because I picked it. Chris says don't sleep on Toad. Yeah, I already lost money on Toad. Toad already stole one Solana from me. Smash the like button, get the algorithm kicking in. Yeah, that's what I keep saying. I think that's the problem. The algorithm doesn't like me anymore. What I stopped doing, you guys probably noticed if you watch the updates on the channel, I have stopped blocking the bots. I don't even touch the bots anymore, because when I block bots or put the word or whatever coin they're botting into the banned word list on the settings, I started doing that for a while, and then YouTube banned me, said I had invalid traffic. They stole my money. They took 58% of my YouTube check and just took it. And ever since then, it's been nothing but a dud of a channel until I started live streaming. Live streaming has picked it up a little bit. So you guys, with your support and your super chats, have helped a lot. But I'm still trying to get that algorithm to not shadow ban me, I guess, whatever's going on with it. Matthew says, yes, leave the music on after 10-minute chart. Can't hurt. Toad. Yeah, I may do that today. Maybe I'll leave it on. There's no one here, so I can leave my computer on in here. But yeah, I put a Solana on Toad and it went to 0. Acid Toad. Still going down. Oh, see, it pumped back up, but it came all the way down. Damn, it hit the 382 perfectly. Damn, when did we look at this? Oh yeah, we were looking at the 236, but it was back in here. It was just going down. It came all the way down. But yeah, I just pulled my money out, put it back in Sol Ordi, and then Sol Ordi was going down. And then it is what it is. Toad. Yeah. I think I'm done gambling. Even though I'd probably put $100 into Skid. Cat with hat is what you're talking about, Ash? Yeah, but I'm done gambling. I see what you mean. It already ran a lot. I should have never bought in, but I did. But you only make mistakes so many times. Legacy Undead. Do you own any XRP or ADA? No, I do not. I'm officially out of the market right now. Again. But I had ADA last cycle. ADA and Shiba were my plays last cycle. I'll probably never buy ADA again. Or Shiba. Louis says Crazy Lady is pumping now. Is it really? I was hoping that thing would bottom out for you and start going up. Crazy Janet to the moon. Why damn, I'm driving in crazy. Gonna make her even more mad than she is. Janet. Oh yeah. This is what we told you, or we went over last time. We want this thing to stabilize and start moving back up. Maybe very good that you held. Even though you're at a loss, you'll get it all back if it goes to a new high. Oh yeah, she's pumping. Hello, my name is Janet. What kind of crazy stuff can I tell you today? Yeah, hopefully, Louise, you do get 100x out of this thing. Once you get over 7.8, bottom is in, 1.4, you're bullish. Then into the moon, she will go. From where you are today in price, if you're going to just hold like you've been doing, you've been holding on the way down, you might as well hold on the way up. Not financial advice, but 105x to a new high. Yeah, but if you guys haven't heard of Janet, go look at the Twitter. Just go amuse yourself with the Twitter page. Louise to the moon. Samuel says put on SUKU. What do you mean by put on SUKU? We looked at SUKU. SUKU looks very good. It's still accumulating. Nothing wrong with it. If I could put on SUKU, or you mean put money on SUKU, I would. Alicia, how's it going? Can you check out Flavia? What is Flavia? Is that a meme coin or a regular coin? Flavia. I don't know if I've ever heard of that one. Flavia to the moon. Yeah, I don't know what Flavia is. But yeah, I hope your Janet goes back to the moon. Back to a new high. What else did we not look at today? We looked at used car. What is Honk up to? Oh yeah, I forgot about Bork. I don't know, maybe Bork and Soul Ordi are just duds. Yeah, still holding up here, I guess. Pulled back. Bounced. Honk to the moon at some point. Let's see. honk, high, low to the high, came down, hit the 0.5, bounced back up. It's trying to hold up here. We'll see what happens. Holding the uptrend. That's the one thing I do see. I don't think any of you guys own honk, but it's right there. So it may bounce. What's up to crypto? Dang, I'm not getting any notifications when you go live. Did you hit the button on the channel? Like I said, it may be the algorithm. I don't know. Slava says I'm ready to go home. It was useless day today. Oh, I thought you said you were useless. Useless day at work, huh? He says DJed, Moonwell, Aerodrome, Superverse, and Beam. Oh, wait, we didn't look at Beam. Someone asked for that earlier. But DGen's bullish. It blew out of our pattern. It looks good. Moonwell still consolidating in a bullish pattern. Looks very good. I think we looked at Arrow. But I'll do it just because you're late. And there's no one here. Yet another good stream, but then there's no one here. Arrow. Yeah, Arrow looks like it broke out. What is happening? Yeah, Arrow broke the pattern and she's moving. So we'll pull this up to the new high. As long as you're over the 618, but it does appear you broke out to the top here. Not perfect, but right at the 786 level here. So it needs to get over 162 if it's going to continue this move here. And then if we go way down to a smaller time frame, you're sitting right on the 236 at 143. So if you can hold over 143, you may continue to push. Any lower than that, you are going to come down to 134. But if you come down to 134, you're still going to back test the top of our pattern here and hold. So as long as you're over 134.5, you're still bullish to hold and push back up. And then for anyone asking for Arrow, how high is it going to go? I don't remember putting that 6 billion on the chart. Are we on the wrong chart? Dang it, Bobby. All right, here we go. There's the real chart. But still same concept. As long as you're over the 618 at 121, you can see that's the 236. You're still bullish, and then you would back test. So forget everything else I just said. 161 is your price to hold. As long as you hold that, it's still bullish and can push up. 163 is the price to beat. From where you are right now, Arrow, how high is it going to go? $20 to $40. We do have two stops here. The high target 42, 27 billion market cap, 29x. Low target is the 2272 at 23 for a 15 billion market cap and almost a 16x. But it looks good. It broke out of our pattern here and it's moving. But like I said, it could pull back to 121. You'd still hold and be bullish. And if that's the case, you'll drop back 17%. And then someone asked for Beam earlier. Beam, we looked at it last night. Let me see. Let me pull this up. All right, it's getting stuck right at the 382 and the 0.5 high to the low. So it needs to get over this price here to be bullish, 2.2. But higher highs, higher lows. It pumped, but it's stuck at resistance right now. And we're seeing that on pretty much everything. Everything's getting stuck at some sort of resistance at the moment. And then pull up the other fib once again. For whoever asked for Beam earlier, you have to get over that level. And then if this thing's going to hit a 15.6 billion market cap, 33.5 would be about a 13x. Well, no, let me move this up now. 15x. for Beam to make a move this cycle. But yeah, we're at 2 hours already. 2 hours in, no one's here. Alicia says Flavia is an AI meme coin on Solana. Okay. Damn, what do we just look at? You guys couldn't even see me look at BMAX. Damn it. I never switched the chart. That's unfortunate. What do we look at? BMAX and what else? Arrow. You guys heard me talk, so we're not going to go back over it. BMAX stuck right at the 382. That's a sign we're going down. I hate that when I don't switch the chart over. All right, now, damn. Oh well, it is what it is. All right, now you guys can see that we're on Deck Screener, which you kept seeing, so. Flavia on Sol. This one here. Flavia is online. Yeah, is this the right one? Yeah, this StreamYard sucks because the chat is so far behind. But yeah, you guys got the idea. Flavia, potentially a good looking chart here. Let's just clean it up a little bit. She already moved. Just a good version of Janet. We have Janet and Flavia, however you say this. I may not even be saying it right. All right, we're on the daily candles. 3 million market cap. Bottom is confirmed in over 2.2, bullish over 4.4. And if this one goes to a new high, oh wow. 92x almost, 90x, we'll call it. Not a bad one. Not a bad gamble play. Potential 90x if it takes off. Yeah, good find. Good one. All right, I'm gonna Bond Tyler, Dork Lord. I remember Dork Lord. Which one is it though? I remember looking at it in the past. Wasn't it Dorkle? Maybe not. Yeah, just confirm. Which one is it? We're just looking at a bunch of crap now, huh? Slava says looks like Bitcoin's ready to correct. Could be. Dork Lord on ETH. Is this the one? Dorkle. Oh, okay. Yeah, that makes sense. AI meme coins are pumping right now, especially the Janet one. Oh, 5 million market cap. Yeah, they probably came out with 1 million different Dork Lords. There's a 6.9 million. Excuse me, market cap. So orty. Yeah, you're gonna have to give me the address or something, unless it's this one here. Maybe it's this one. 6.9 million market cap now. I'll just wait till you confirm. Very bullish looking chart. To the moon it's going. That one's 16.9. Okay. 4767. Yeah, this is it. But yeah, another slow stream here for some reason. Not a lot of people in here, only 32. We had 50 at one point, but then everyone left. We're tied up, only 16 on X and Twitter. But I appreciate you guys coming in here though. It is just me and my son tonight, my youngest son. So we're gonna find something for supper. He wants to do movie nights. He calls it the boys' movie night. There's no one else here. But yeah, we will be back on tomorrow. Get some updates out. Back on the live stream. This one looks good. It's curled up, higher highs and higher lows. It just hit the new high at the 1272. It is falling back below it, but it is still curled up here. But this one's extremely bullish still. No idea where this one's going to end up. Once you get back over 10, you have 16 here, 29, but maybe it comes up to $2 and you get a 20x. But this one's already up a ton. Just keep that in mind. But we saw things like this, like GOAT did the same thing, went up a ton and just kept going. Moodang. Moodang to the moon. Yeah, I guess you're right. It's only 4:40. People are still at work. It's a holiday. It's a Monday. Yeah, what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave this up. What do you guys want me to leave it on the Bitcoin chart? I'm going to switch the music and I'm going to leave it up for a little bit. Go check on my son, see what's happening. Feel free to chat. We'll see what happens here. Just kind of a test. To see. I'll leave it up for like 10 minutes or so and then I'll come back and check. We'll see if you guys just go back into the shadows or you chat or let's see here. I'm trying to figure out. But yeah, I'll be back in like 5 to 10 minutes or so. I'm gonna see how it does while it's just sitting here. But let me put up on the screen. Oh, I was gonna share something with you guys. The chart. Let me see if I can pull this up without screwing everything up. I don't know what's going to do good this cycle. AI, gaming. What do you guys think? What's going to do good this cycle? That's something you guys can chat about. Damn, I forgot about the Discord. I need to go check the Discord. There's probably shenanigans going on in there. Probably someone scamming everyone. But yeah, when we were looking at Render earlier. Yeah, Render did a 40x last cycle. Yeah, maybe we'll go over this when I get back in a moment. All right, let me just put this up on. Yeah, so Render did a 40x cycle, or is it going to do a good move this cycle is the big question. Let's see if Bitcoin's going to make a new high. What do you get up to 80, 88K, 88.3? Damn, are we going to hit 90K today? 90K to the moon? FOMO is coming. Everyone will pile into Bitcoin at this price and get wrecked. Yeah, probably. Probably $15 to $20. Probably will hit 90. Yeah, we'll see what happens, but I'm thinking there's going to be a pullback. Maybe not. We'll see what happens. We've been bullish for what, 3 days now? 3 days of going up. Not normal. Let's see here. Here's some bullish music. All right, we're at 2 hours and 11 minutes. Feel free to chat amongst yourselves, leave, whatever you want to do. Hit the like button if you do leave. Feel free to stay. I will come check back in, and we'll see if we can continue in about 5 to 10 minutes. And let me check really quick, make sure I got all the super chats in before we do end it. Yeah, we covered them all. But yeah, I'm gonna leave this here, and you guys do whatever you want. I'll come back and there'll be 50 people, and then we'll end the live stream, and then that's it. But share, like, subscribe, do whatever you got to do. Need some more people to pile in here. I gotta go. I'm still at work. Deep disco, 80s. But yeah, I'll be back. I gotta go check on my son, see what he wants to do for supper and all that good stuff. But I'll leave you guys up for a moment. Just watch Bitcoin here. While I'm away, we're gonna make a new high. We're gonna go to the moon. You guys are gonna get rich. But I will be back. Appreciate you all. All right, we still here. We still got 26 people here. 18 on X. Damn, only 8 people on YouTube. People still in the chat. Yeah, I left for a minute to go check on my son. Just trying to see how it would do with just music on here. Let me turn the music down. I know you guys can't really hear me. Let me see some of the other music we got. Hoping we would get up to over 50 people today. We had 52 at one point. Let me see what I can share here. Let me see, when we share. So are you guys bullish, or do you think we're about to have a pullback? All right, when I share the screen, okay, it only shares the screen there. Back over 88K. Maybe some more people will show up after work. But this, all right guys, can you see this? All right, you guys can see this. This is the 2021 bull run. What things did in the last bull run. By the type of coin, percentage gain. Gala did a 400x. XYO did 158x. Jeez. Axie 150x. But these are the things that happened last bull cycle. Harmony 1 did a 48x. Bake did a 63x. Solana did a 91x. Render did a 40x last cycle. And a lot of these coins aren't even around anymore. Well, they're around, but you get the idea. LivePeer, PancakeSwap, IODEX. ACH did a 16x last cycle. LCX. See, LCX I didn't even know of last cycle. Did a 15x. Quant did a 15x. Cartesi, I forgot about that one. Seller did a 13x. Loopring did a 10x. But those are the top 68 of the top 300. But these were the categories that were big last cycle. Top performing coins. Web3, I don't know if anyone cares about Web3 anymore. But yeah, this time it's going to be probably AI. Healthcare. Meme coin. Damn, only one meme coin? This is going to be all different this cycle. So the top performing, maybe AI. Cortezi sucks. Cartesi sucks. Yeah, I forgot about Cartesi. I sold my Bitcoin, don't have it. Yeah, the fact that Bitcoin ran up so fast already, it may be time to, I don't know. From when to all-time high? Yeah, that's the question. All right, let's take like, what do I have an old chart on? All right, Solana did a 91x, 92x. Solana, what did LCX do? Engine coin, LCX did a 15x. Damn it. All right, so looking at LCX here, let's go back to the macro chart. LCX is moving up. All right, this is the Coinbase chart. So let's find the old LCX chart from last cycle. Damn, there isn't one. Maybe this one. All right, here we go. This is the monthly LCX chart. August of 2021 to the high. I don't know what they're counting here because that has a way older. Yeah, I don't know whether they're doing this from, but Solana did a 250x from 2020 to the 2021 high. So yeah, I don't know. Probably old, outdated, not useful. Engine is pretty much dead, he says. Cartesian project not really unique. They won't survive. Yeah, no one talks about it, so my big issue is the things that did like render, LCX, things that did 15, 40x's, 90x's, whatever. They're older coins now, so maybe they're only good for 5 to 10x's. Louis says Grago if you have time. But it was just to give you guys an idea. But it's going to be different this time. I don't think Web3, DeFi. I think the things that are big now are the RWAs and AI and meme coins are going to be at the top of the list. Hathor. I forgot about Hathor. Chili's. But yeah, it's going to be different this time, of course. What do you say? Engine is dead. Yeah, that's why I keep saying maybe it's the new plays, the new coins, the new ones that have been big for the last year and a half. Pepe, Solana, Dog with Hat. Not Solana. Brett, Pepe, Dog with Hat, Sui, SCI, all the new things, maybe the plays. All the AI coins, the big, most talked about meme coins. Yeah, let me look at Chainlink. Nick the Traveler, welcome in. Chainlink, Grago, he says. Yeah, let me find the link chart. But yeah, ADA just got stuck at the 382. Litecoin to the moon for OG Jerry. It's trying to pump. Looking good though. It's curled up. Link. Oh yeah, we were looking at Link getting stuck at the 382. Flat top here. Higher lows. Very bullish pattern. And she's pumping. So as long as you're over the 382 at 1207, 16 is your next stop. If we continue to move here, but it looks really bullish right now. Another 10% move to your resistance at 16. What do you guys think about what happened to the what is it, Aptos? 7x to 63 billion market cap to $100. Bitcoin Cash as April. Oh yeah, I forgot about Ethereum Classic. But yeah, Chainlink here. Another old coin, 5 to 10x, so a 7x could be in the works. Price action is looking good. Doge is an old coin, yet it's going up. Yeah, but it's Dogecoin. Dogecoin's always going to be a big player. But yeah, I forgot about Bitcoin Cash and Ethereum Classic. BCH. Haven't looked at it in a while, but I know we have a chart. Oh, it's pumping. It's above the 786 here. High to the low, above the 786. If you can stay over 464, good step in the right direction here. And of course, we don't have market cap or anything on this chart, so we'll have to leave that for another day. But if this one can make a new high, which it looks like it wants to, 171% move to 1300. Ethereum Classic I forgot about. Oh yeah, Ethereum Classic's another good one. I don't know why we have that there. It's above the 236, same market structure. As long as you're above 23, this thing has confirmed the bottom end. Bullish over 34. Yeah, Ethereum Classic's another good play. It's potentially going to have a huge run. 55 billion market cap. 16x up to $300, 378. But it's down here in the dirt. Just confirmed the bottom is in. Ethereum Classic's potentially a good rollover play. Are we really pumping? Oh damn. Almost at 90K. Everyone pile in. Going to the moon. So what is the dominance at? Back up to 60. You guys realize that the higher the dominance goes, the bigger the bull run we're going to have. So if the dominance right now, it's pumping back up after pulling back. Yeah, if it comes up here a little bit higher, but the higher the dominance goes, the harder this thing's going to fall, and the bigger the bull run we're going to have. So BTC can pump all at once right now. There's no alt season yet. If it pumps up here and goes higher than 60%, so be it. It's going to crash hard, and then the altcoins are going to go to the moon really hard. So maybe that's what we need, and that's what we want. So the thing is with the dominance here, as long as Bitcoin is pumping, the dominance is going up, the BTC pairs can continue to drop on all the pairs for BTC, for whatever it is. But that does not mean the USD price has to drop. The USD price may hold and consolidate, or drop a little bit, or pull back from where they're pumping at now. But this could be very bullish for us. As long as the dominance is still spiking and going up, and Bitcoin's going up so early, that could pretty much tell us that 2025 is going to be a huge bull run. So hopefully that makes sense. But yeah, we're in a good spot right now. Very good spot. Especially if Bitcoin hits 100K, the dominance keeps going up. Get ready for a huge 2025 bull market. And I would imagine you guys are preparing, because we've been looking at everything on the bottom. Things are starting to pump. So a nice relief rally. And if things come back down and hold for one last little crash, but not much of a crash because we already had a little pump up, 2025 could be life-changing for a lot of people. You guys are going to make it. Still only got 35 people in here. And yet again, being beat by Twitter. But yeah, we'll be back on here tomorrow. What is your prediction on dominance, when it breaks, and how much it gets to? No idea. But like I said, as long as Bitcoin is going up right now, the dominance is going up again. Ethereum's not doing anything. We need the dominance, the Bitcoin dominance, to go down. People to pull their money out of Bitcoin into alts, which clearly they're buying Bitcoin right now. We need Ethereum to go up. We need the Ethereum BTC pair to go down. Or no, go up. What's up, Metal Detecting? Welcome back. I haven't seen you in a minute. We just need the Bitcoin dominance to drop. Yes, we do. That's why I keep telling everyone there's no alt season yet. Marco, how's it going? What altcoins? What do you mean, what altcoins? Once we finally get into alt season and the Bitcoin dominance drops and people switch their money from Bitcoin over to the altcoins and the meme coins, everything's going to go up. Not everything, but you get the idea. If it's something you haven't heard of or a brand new meme coin, I wouldn't waste my time, but everything's going to go up. XCN went higher for a bit earlier and then came back down. Yeah, we looked at XCN a couple times. Still very bullish on XCN. Right now it's just Bitcoin, Dogecoin, a couple things pumping. Elon's going up. Shiba's going up a little bit. But it's just kind of like a prelude to what's going to happen. Marco says, meaning what are you riding? I'm not riding anything, my man. I had a few meme coins and they went to zero and I had to get out. I'm completely out of the market. But I was in the market pretty good in January, February. Now it's all a dream. Just need a couple more months again to get back in. But yeah, we're gonna get there. November's here. December's probably gonna pull back. 2025 is gonna hit. But we're gonna know. We're gonna look at it when it happens. We need Bitcoin to pile into. We need the Bitcoin holders to pile into total 2, total 3 to the altcoins, and then we'll know we're going up. Dominance is going to fall, but we're not there yet. I think there's one more flush down before all that happens. Hang tight, everyone. We just need to be patient. As soon as Bitcoin reaches a high, it will flow into XCN. XCN to the moon for metal. Yeah, you're exactly right though. We're so close. If you guys are new or have been here from last cycle and still holding, this is it. We've been waiting for 4 years for this. Don't let it pass you by. We're gonna make it. But yeah, what time is it? But yeah, we'll be back on here tomorrow, live streaming every day in November for the win. I appreciate the super chats that came in. I appreciate the gifted subs from Patrick. Everyone that sent a super chat. It's keeping the channel alive, by the way. The algorithm still does not like me because we can see there's only 15 people on YouTube here. We always get more people on X. A lot of people are watching over on Rumble, but YouTube is still keeping me down in the shadow realm for some reason. But yeah, I'll leave it at that. I'm gonna go spend the rest of the night with my boy. We're gonna have movie night, guys only. Probably watch some cartoon or something, I don't know. Find something to eat. Smells like someone's barbecuing outside, so we'll see what happens. But yeah, I appreciate all you guys being in here. Damn, what happened? The whole screen just went white. Damn, it did it again. Okay, I'm trying to end it, but it's not letting me. Bitcoin's going to 100K because my internet stopped. It won't let me end the stream. I don't know if you guys can hear me or not, but my screen is white. Damn, it was a good try. Yeah, we're not, because I don't know what's happening. Keep getting the loading button. Alright, everyone hit the like button on your way out. I know you guys can probably hear me, but my screen is just glitching out. Yet again, everyone type a 1. Everyone here, type a 1 in the chat if you're going to hit the like button on your way out. And we will see you guys tomorrow in the next one. Hopefully we're still going up and you guys are making a bunch of money. I appreciate all of you guys coming in here on Twitter, on YouTube, on Rumble. Watch out for the updates coming out in the morning. Go check out the ones I did today. Every like and every watch and every heart and everything you guys do is helping out the channel here grow. We're creeping up on 9,000 subscribers, on our way to 10K, and we're gonna rule this bull market coming up 2025. You guys are gonna get rich. We're gonna go to the moon. Aaron says 15x on AOS. Yeah, someone asked for AOS earlier and I forgot all about it, but I will look at it real quick. Someone said AOS and PNG are disappointing, but they're coming up on the list to make videos for. PNG is doing nothing, still accumulating, looks very good here. At some point it's going to break out, and then following suit is going to be AOS. AOS looks extremely well where it is right now, just like PNG. Oh, AOS broke out. And we're going to the moon, boys. Everyone pile in. Boys and girls, we're here. Damn, AOS did break out. Stuck right at our first resistance level. Even though it's stuck, it's always nice to see that it's hitting these things and respecting the levels that we put up on the charts. So right at the 236,618, and what is that, the 382 or something? High to the low. Oh, right at the 0.5. So if we can break over 23.5, nice little candle here, she's going to continue to run, but she's breaking out. So PNG is lagging here. So maybe we're on the next leg up here. But yeah, all you guys that have been holding through all of this, watching the updates, watching the channel, and just holding, you got to be patient. We're so almost there. But yeah, I'll leave it at that. I'll see you guys tomorrow. High CPU usage detected. Yeah, my computer's about to crash, so I'll leave it at that. I'll let you guys go. Appreciate you guys coming in here. None of this is financial advice. Good luck at everything you do, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out, everyone.